Do you know changing oil filter at regular intervals helps prevent any particles from entering the engine and damaging it? On an average, an oil filter filters about almost 3 to 7 liters of oil every minute and around 180 to 420 liters of oil in an hour, approximately, to send clean engine oil to protect wear and tear of the engine components. Prolonged use and aging causes oil filters to get dirty or clogged and allow contaminants to sail straight to the engine, where they can cause damage to parts. So changing oil filter at regular intervals is very important to protect your engine. If you have not done this, go to the nearest TVS authorized service center immediately. Do it now to enjoy a smooth ride.